Now, this is going to start a big fight, because I have shown that many of the prominent Indian liberal left thinkers are inflicted with this neo-Hinduism disease. Pankaj Mishra, who gets all these awards, these Ramachandra Guha, Arundhati Roy, all these people on the TV, the Hindu newspaper carries their articles, Times of India carries their articles. Indian and supposedly so-called Hindu writers are talking about this. They are themselves involved in the same disease the same way. So for example, Devdutt Pattanaik, who writes all these things about Hinduism, is a great follower of Wendy Doniger. He is one of the biggest supporters of Wendy Doniger. Yeah, he's turned Hinduism into myth. He calls it myth. So I've had a lot of debate with him on why is it myth, why not itihas, and why myth puts in doubt that it is not really authentic. But this business of mythologizing Shiva, Krishna, all this, and making it, but at the same time making Hindus feel that he's one of us because he can talk in a certain way. Very dangerous. The biggest threat are people amongst us who are undermining us from within. So this is a very clever thing they have done. So you look at in this debate with Wendy Doniger, people like me and Wendy Doniger, people like Devdutt Pattanaik supporting them, writing interviews, articles, supporting them, right and left, without any doubt. Now, I called Devdutt Pattanaik and said, you know, a lot of your ideas you've taken from my work, but not attributed. And worse than that, you twisted it. So for instance, the comfort with chaos. You know, immediately soon after my book came out, he'll start talking about it into TED Talks and prestigious forums where I'm not invited, but he can go talk about my ideas as his own. The difference between Shruti and Smriti and why it matters. He's talking about all this. So he's a little embarrassed, but he said things like, "Oh, but I'm actually helping you because I'm taking your ideas into the mainstream." So I said, when King George V was told, "Why have you stolen the Kohinoor?" he said, "The people of India should be very proud because I'm bringing it to the attention of the whole empire." Yeah. A thief could steal your stuff and say, you know, I'll popularize this art used to be in your house. I won't even tell them it's in your house because, you know, you're not such a good reputation, so it will not be really good for you to say that it was your art. But I'll say it's my art, then this art will become more famous, sir. So in a sense, I'm helping you. That kind of a thing. I told this to Devdutt Pattanaik. So at first he said, I don't really I know about your work. He couldn't say that he doesn't know about your work, but I'm not that deep, you know. Now, I was telling my friend Santji, I have an email list of about 60,000-70,000 names of people who attend these events. I tell them to put them on my email list, and I send out an email blast of announcing new talk, new YouTube. And to manage this email list, there's a service called iContact, like Constant Contact, iContact. They manage mailing lists, and they send out these lists to you. They keep track of duplicates, and people can unsubscribe. And one of the things that they do is that they can tell you who's opened the mail and who's clicked a video. If you have 4 or 5 links, they'll even tell you which link was clicked. And the whole history of a person. So I looked up Devdutt Pattanaik's history of he's on my iContact database. And he's been clicking. So then I called him. I didn't want to tell him that because I still haven't told him. I think I'll cut this tweet out. Because, you know, it's very good. It's very good when I meet people who say, "Acha, aap kaun hai? Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, yeah. I have also thought of this." I go and look it up, and he's been watching my videos for a long time. So it's one thing to be inspired and influenced that you like. But when the person is appropriating it, misappropriating it, plagiarizing it, calling it his own, distorting it, twisting it around, and actually putting it in the framework of my opponents, it's not a right thing to do. So you see, we got a lot of problems in our community with our own people like that, and we are funding such people. Most people are, in fact, I went to Bombay, they said, you know, you should meet Devdutt Pattanaik, he's a good man, he'll help you, he knows. Now, see, this is what, so we have to be careful, we have to understand the big game going on, very sophisticated.